Good morning, everybody. Martin, hello. Good morning. What's up? What's up? Good morning. All right. All right, all right, all right. Let's start this day off. And let's see what's going on with NQ, of course. Let's see what's going on with NQ. Cheapest, yes, yeah, hello. Jeff. Good morning, Jeff, or good evening. Okay, let's look at the 1 hour. What happened yesterday? What a drop! Like, how much was it? It was, well, about 250-ish points from the top. All the way down from the top to bottom, it was 267-ish. Nice drop there. So, 11 p.m., you're in the past still. 11 p.m. Okay, so the 4-hour chart, look at this. It kind of looks like that it wants to take out 21,424 down there, which is a 4-hour swing low. Naomi, good morning. Good to see you, Naomi. What does the future hold? I'm going to tell you. By the way, it's interesting, like, you know, which is that line in Alaska and the border of Russia. That's that small island, basically, right? There's this very small island, and that's the nearest point between Russia and the United States at the shores of Alaska, right? So that's exactly where almost a complete day difference is. I don't know. That's quite interesting. You can travel back in time a whole day. Or to the future. Okay. We're going sideways, of course. So yeah, I wanted to show this on the 4-hour chart, which I don't usually look, but I see this swing low at 424. Feels like that it might go for the lows, I think, you know, to finish the move. You know, spiked up there, finishing the move down. And it's not too far. Actually, it's very close. And if I go to the daily, well, it's definitely bullish, but would be interesting to see still this 424 level being broken. And on the 5-minute, it does look like it wants to go lower. No, no, no. Okay, yeah, so that's what I think it could go. It would be awesome to see this taking out that level. And previous day low is at 37. 38, 37. I entered the short position, by the way, because I was eyeballing this before the stream as well. Espionage, what up? Playing 2K during pre-market here, up 2.3K in the last 3 days. Congratulations. Nice going. Bowser, yo, what's up? Yo, no. What up? What up, what up? Yeah, I was looking at this range here, and I was thinking that, you know, especially because there was China news here, what if this one wants to go and break it lower? So I have a short position in this area. And that's it. I'm just looking for to break previous day low and maybe have a runner until 24 maybe. But if it fails, no problem. No problem. Then I'm just gonna wait for the next setup, obviously. So yeah, let me just quickly show this. What is going on here? Bum, 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 bum. All right. So I like to see this go lower. Let me show you the trade that I have. Where is it? Here it is. So not a big deal, only for micros, but I thought that this one can break the news low here after repricing these small volume imbalances and liquidity voids here. And that's why I took it. And also looking for the 424 as the final target. So I might gonna be just taking some partials off, but let's see. It can obviously just go up and sweep some liquidity. We have equal lows at 477. So I'm gonna be careful. Yannick's, good morning. Sarah, good morning. Good to see you. Hold on. Maggie, hello, good morning. I took the short with 2 mini NQ and 20 fake accounts. On wealth charts. Oh, you're testing it. Okay. Okay. Nice. You applied for testing. That's good. That is good. So on gold, quick look on gold. We do have the 2700. Nice round number up there. I feel like that's still gonna be a bullish scenario here. Although it didn't take out these levels. But we'll see. I think it can still go higher. For now, I'm just watching NQ at this moment. Let's see what it does. Actually, I have to load some charts here. Yeah, so gold was moving at least a bit up to the 2700. I still feel like it could be bullish. Just a second. Okay, that's fine. I have to set up my charts on my other screen because everything just messed up right now. But so far, so good. Okay. Okay. I'm here. So let's see what's going on. Marco, good morning. How often do you review? Do you do reviews for our charts, like input surveys, reviews to Apex? Not really sure. I just started playing with. Oh, okay. Yeah, I think many people started to test those. Wants to test overnight highs. It could be, but I wouldn't go long here. I think there's still time to apply for testing those charts. By the way, here's my position. It's not the best position, obviously, but I'm in it to win it. So I'm just hoping that this one can drop down to previous day low, obviously taking out the news candle down there and taking out yesterday's low and eventually taking out that 424 swing low. That would be nice, but at this point it's a huge question mark. It's a big question mark right now. Jay. Oh, you said that. Have to watch ES above VWAP, and if it continues going higher, it will drag. Oh yeah, absolutely. I'm also watching ES here, and yes, I absolutely agree. If ES starts to go higher, it will definitely pull NQ up there. I mean, the way I see this, by the way, on the 4-hour and the daily ES looks a little bit bearish, like it was accumulating some positions overnight, and it can drop one more down to 6,047-ish, 48-ish area. So we'll see. We'll see. I'm also watching gold. I like to see it go to 2700 on the futures, but whatevs. Yeah, this one has a low right there. On the mini, what's previous day low on the mini? Could be different. It's 36. Okay then. So I always check also the mini as well, just to see some levels. Okay, gold is slowly, actually it's pushing lower, which is okay. Picked up some liquidity up there. There's a volume imbalance, actually unbalanced price on gold futures at 26.86. Might want to go down there. Actually not far. All right, let's see. Let's see this NQ move. Just waiting for this daily low level to be taken. I mean, yesterday's low. And that's it. And that is it. And we don't have any news in London session, right? So nothing special should be happening. Yeah, nothing. Okay, tomorrow will be CPI. That would be more interesting, I guess. But other than that, there is just nothing. At least not for today. Yeah, that's gonna be interesting, Jay. Look for moves back to VWAP after London Open. Yeah, that could also happen. Let's. Where's the VWAP, by the way? Oh yeah, it's up there. Yeah, it could go. It could go. Admirals, hey there. I'm waiting for the long around 450. Hope to let it alive though. Yeah. Well, I was hoping that this price action should actually take out that news candle low. Now it seems like it's not going to do it. It's just not going for it. Not yet. We might gonna get stuck here. Actually, I might gonna get stuck here. But no problem with it. Looking at gold too. So far, that 5-minute BC from the Asia session is holding. So it could still remain bullish, and it feels like it might want to break some highs all the way up to 2700. And that's it. This is just another typical slow London kill zone. Definitely the open will bring us something more, hopefully. Hey Sam, what's up? Good to see you. Okay. So far, sideways action. I really thought that we're gonna take out that news low. So far, it's not dropping there. It might gonna be a slow morning, as usual in these days. I mean, this was a nice drop yesterday, obviously, and I was just really hoping that we will take out these lows here. If you guys look at the 4-hour chart, look at this swing low at 424. It actually looks very good. Very, very good for a nice continuation to finish the move down to that area. Oh, thank you, Sam. Yeah, we will have results from the biopsy hopefully on Thursday or Friday. But so far, I mean, she's good. Thank you. Just Goldbuck. Hey, welcome. Welcome to the channel. Thank you for the subscription. Yeah, holiday season is typical. So it's holiday season. That's what we should do. We should just get drunk live on stream, right? That would be more entertaining. Instead of just waiting for the London Open to happen. But, you know. Karsten, good morning. I'm doing great, thank you. I hope you're doing great too. I jumped into this short trade. So my reasoning behind this, you're up for that, all right, Jay. So the reasoning behind this is just like I showed on the 4-hour chart. All right, that's good, Karsten. We had a swing low at 424 on the 4-hour, and we had this news candle. This was no, it was not China. It was what was this? Anyway, some news were hitting the market around 30 minutes after midnight. Anyway, I wanted to see this drop lower, take out previous day low, obviously, and then just finally take that 424. Now, I saw price rebalancing this liquidity void and then dropping lower again. And so I thought I'm just going to jump in for the ride while it was repricing this fair value gap. That was the reason. Obviously, it could be a bear trap. So small position, but we'll see, you know. ProfiTrade, hello, good morning. Welcome to the stream. So that's what I'm looking for currently. And as for gold, it's hard to say because I'm looking at gold futures. It's so far going sideways, but interesting how the high of yesterday was the round number of 2700. Now here we have a liquidity void at 2686, which is visible on the 5-minute futures chart too, and we have this fair value gap which is acting as possible support, relative equal lows, a fair value gap here, and here is that liquidity void that I'm talking about right there. I'm not saying it will go there, I'm just saying that it's quite interesting. The market might try to take these out, relative equal lows, and while it's at it, it might wick down into that area before it's going up to 2700. Overall, in the big picture, I'm definitely staying bullish on gold. I'd like to see these levels up there. The 2715.3 on futures, I'd like to see that being taken out. So that would make me extremely happy because then I can search for some good entries. Why? Because that's like a bearish order block which could be broken in a bullish trend, a high possibility that it could be broken. So I'd like to see price gravitating up to 27.15 on gold. Same goes higher at 27.48, but as I said, we might see some liquidity sweep or picking up some orders from down there. I don't know. For now, on NQ, I'm just waiting for this drop, and that is all. I think the short is the play for today, but we may test overnight highs. Yeah, several times. It could happen, yes. Exactly, Jay. It could temporarily break New York session. It's in the cards. That's why I'm not really a huge fan of this trade now, but I took the risk by seeing these fair value gaps. I thought that, okay, maybe it will, I thought that if it drops below that 451 level, it would be easy to take the elevator down, but it's not going for it, not yet. It's not going for it. So what's it gonna be? What's it gonna be, I wonder? So far, nothing. No action. I wish there would be something, but there's just nothing. We might have to wait for London Open to see something good happening here. Fabio, good morning. I got out at the bottom and now think I'm going back in short again. Well, I outlined my reasoning behind this, and it might not be absolutely good, but entertainment purposes only, right? That's it. Look at that. Back to break even. And that's what is going to happen in the next 30 minutes at least, or 1 hour. And this is just a 5-minute chart. Imagine the 1 minute. Excuse me. We're at the make or break level on the higher time frame. Yeah, do we keep uptrend or yeah? It's a decision area for sure. I agree, Admirals. It's definitely is. You're on 1 minute. You're on the 1 minute. Okay, that's all right. No problem with the 1 minute chart. Gold is still just standing in one place. Not really doing anything. Well, what can we do? Nothing. This is exactly the area where we I mean, there's nothing to do. But I got it was a quick set. Well, $70 on a day like this, you know, take it anytime. Look at this dirty move here. It's gonna slowly grind up there. Well, not much is happening. It's like watching paint dry, and this is the 5-minute chart, guys. So it's exactly what we were anticipating for the holidays, right? Can always take a shot, yeah. See green, take it. Yeah, exactly, Rich Goodwin. Yeah, tomorrow is CPI, so obviously the big things are gonna happen tomorrow. Oh, buy signal. Let's see what happens. I mean, this is obviously just, this is gold again. Just a quick look. Pretty much congested into this range, and the 1 hour actually looks nice. It's a nice rejection here. There was a very small gap here on the 1 hour too, rejected nicely, you know, seemingly going for the 2700 again on the futures. And maybe that's the case, I don't know, but so far there's just no volume. So not much is happening. Back to NQ. Oh yeah, NQ is, so we have equal highs here. It might want to sweep that, but other than that, I'm trying to look for some significant fair value gaps, inversions or whatnot, but there's nothing, especially not on the 15-minute. There was a gap here which got respected and rejected price down there, but that's all. Right at the new day opening gap high. Actually, I'm gonna put a fair value gap here so I can show you what I mean by that. So that right there on the 15-minute, this was respected and price got pushed lower, but now seems like it might want to sweep some more highs there again. So 15-minute CB. Oh no. Oh no. It's going against me now. Yeah. Yeah. Today is pretty much look like a trap. Bassett says the day before huge news. Yeah, it's usually choppy. Yeah, I agree. I was just really thinking that it should take out the 424. You know, if you look at the 4-hour. Best DJ in town. Hey, YM is taking off. I haven't even looked on YM too much this morning. Good morning, Zoltan. Paint drying, yeah. Yesterday, funny. Short scalping, yeah. It's like watching paint dry. YM, yeah, YM is going up. YM is going up. Repricing this 1-hour gap as well. Quite interesting. All right, let me zoom this one out. Back to NQ. Gold is much easier than NQ. Well, yeah, I could agree. Gold can do some nice moves. Actually, that's why, as a possible secondary market for my trading portfolio, I picked up, or I'm trying to pick up, gold. I still have to learn a lot about gold, but trying to pick it up. Oh man. Michael, good morning. Welcome, welcome. What's happening? Seemingly, it seems like we're going sideways, but not much going on so far. Not much going on so far. Actually, let me check something on gold futures. Okay, it's there. What's the low? 86.1. Yeah, 86. I don't know. I don't know. I was really hoping that we can drop below this wick to take out previous day low and then continue to 424. That would have been awesome, but it's just not happening. Actually, it really is watching paint dry right now. By the way, totally forgot that Bulenox has a sale on the 25k accounts. If you use the code tomsabo25, I think there's a sale for, I don't even know, 15 or 20 bucks or something for an evaluation account. 25k only. Totally forgot. I don't know what's going on here, but maybe we will see NQ do its thing, hopefully. By the way, I think that gold is going to reprice this here. I do feel a bit of a FOMO here, but this here can be seen on the micro and on the mini as well, and on the 5-minute. You know, guys, how I feel about these things. That level on gold should be at least wicked down to. So if you check both the micro and the mini on the 5-minute, there is a liquidity void, and we don't have too much volume in London session. I think gold wants to wick that level at 26.86 down there. So on futures, so it's mostly for scalpers because I just don't have an entry here, especially not on the 5-minute. But that's what I think is gonna happen. 2686.1 should be taken out. Should be. So just waiting, looking for 450 longs and possible. Oh yeah, let me zoom this one out again, and so I can show you guys what's happening. Silver is falling. 4483 area shorts. Let's go. I caught that long during Asia. Nice, nice, Arnie. Vincent Vega, it's 785. Some liquidity expected somewhere around 8. Yeah, we are having the London Open in less than 13 minutes. Yeah. London Open is around the corner. So in about 12 minutes, and we have some macro in less than 2 minutes. So we shall see. And as I said, I was hoping for a possible drop there. I feel a bit of a FOMO on that gold thing because now I totally feel like the 2686.1 is gonna get wicked into. I'm not jumping in there, but actually it shifted structure. So even the 5-minute candle is gonna close in less than 1 minute here. I don't know. It could be a risky short trade for sure. Well, maybe not. Maybe there could be a possible short entry if gold retraces back up to 2690.2. Man, it's going down. Shoulda, woulda, coulda. Anyhow, anyway, we're gonna have macro kicking in. New 5-minute candle. I don't think it's gonna go back up there, but we'll see. I might going to put a limit order there. Maybe. Sell limit on gold at 90.2. Maybe. Okay. I put a sell limit at 90.2. I highly doubt that this is going to go up there, but I think it's just going to straight go down to 86. 86.2, but 86, yeah. On futures. Look at this. It's going down. So that's where my limit sell order is. But it's gonna go and reprice 26.86. There you go. There you go. That's gold. And this is NQ still. Yeah, the prices are gonna go up at MyFundedFutures. So if you want to stack up some accounts, you still have time this month, but prices are going up. And by the way, just saying, not just with MyFundedFutures, other prop firms are planning to higher prices too. There might not be these kind of cheap sales, not even with Apex or Bulenox. They might gonna be keeping prices around the 75% discount area. There's rumor going around that prop firms need to keep their prices a little bit higher. But let's see. Okay, 89.8. I don't know. Gonna be waiting. My limit order is still at 90.2. Actually, I'm gonna lower it to 89.9. What's the cheapest evaluation? Currently, currently the cheapest one is the 25k Bulenox account, which is available with the code. And there you go, gold is going down, which is available with tomsabo 25. But other than that, I think ProfiTrade lowered their Echo accounts. Oh, hold on, no, because they including the activation fee. The cheapest upfront cost currently is still Bulenox and maybe Apex. No, not Apex. But if you count with activation fees, then MyFundedFutures is the cheapest one. $80 can go down to 76 if you do bank wire transfer with the discount code. $80 is the cheapest, but it has no activation fee. Thank you. Yeah. Sorry, Sam Ellis. So the way it looks like, Sam, is that MyFundedFutures has disabled everybody's affiliate code for the starter and the expert accounts, the standard starter, the starter plus, and the expert accounts. So nobody's code is giving any kind of discount for the starter accounts. The only thing that the code gives you right now is 5% on the starter account if you pay with ACH wire through played.com. So if you use the website played.com, there's a 5% discount for the starter and the expert accounts with the code. And currently that's all. You might ask, why use the code then? If you would still use the code and type it in, that gives a bit of a credit to the stream. So if you type in my code, it might not give you the discount, but gives a bit of a credit to the stream, and I thank you for that. But currently that's the thing. Nobody's code is working with MyFundedFutures, only for bank wire transfers. Thank you, Sam. What about payout? Well, payouts are quite simple. You know, the starter account, you only have to make 5 times higher than $100 in profit, and you can request a payout. But it goes like the same with TopStep. It's going to lock you in to the starting account, so it's going to lock in your drawdown to the starting balance. So make sure to build up some capital there, some buffer, and you can withdraw, right? So payouts are technically anytime when you reach that threshold. It's an evaluation. Yes, it's an evaluation. Yeah, 5 winning days above $100 exactly. I had bad luck with Northern so far. I had 3 starter a few months ago, but well, it wasn't just you, Sam. I'm still also fighting, but you know. Well, being said that, Take Profit Trader has no activation fee as well right now in their current promo. No activation fee and daily payouts. If you're looking for the fastest payout in the industry, then Take Profit Trader. The discount code gives you 40% off and no activation fee if you check out my Take Profit Trader link or code. That's it. Gold is dropping. Oh man, I told you this is gonna happen. Look at that. Look at that. I told you. Oh, why I didn't enter. I was eyeballing this level so much, but I had no entry. I wasn't sure. I mean, maybe at this 5-minute candle when it shifted structure, but I thought that it's too early. It might go up there. But there you go. It repriced it. So boom. That's it. Just as we anticipated it. And now that this level has been taken out, there is one more. There's a bullish order block here on the 15-minute. It might go down there to 26.83, but it's lower probability. Overall, I'm still bullish, so I'll be looking for some bullish setup on gold. But could have been a good scalp down there. Coulda, woulda, shoulda. But it's too late. I want to full port it started. Real, but yeah, that's sometimes it's a good idea. Sometimes it's good. Maybe you should wait until volume, comes into the market. And yeah, that would be. But you gotta know what you're doing, I'm not saying it's a must. I'm not saying you have to do that, but obviously it's up to you. And my goal for this year is still to get funded accounts with Take Profit Trader. So I just hope I will get it. The Google has spoiled us with full ports now, taking more than 1 day. Yes, it's boring. Apex, yeah. No, I really want to NQ to retrace to OTE at 15 minutes fair gap. Yeah, that's also a good idea. Unfortunately, I think I entered a little bit too early. We have the London Open, by the way, and I was really hoping that it would have dropped way before the London Open down there, but now I don't know. I'm not trusting this. It could just go up there, sweep the 477 or maybe higher. But if I look at the 4-hour chart, I would still like to see this take out the 424. But currently this trade is not good. Not good at all. Shoulda, woulda, coulda. I'm actually considering to even close this one. But we'll see. DEX is kind of weak. Yeah, I think for the London sentiment, I think yeah, we need to wait for at least about the first 15 or 20 minutes just to see what's going on, and then we should be having a better picture. Staying up for London tonight, hopefully get some good price action. Oh, well, so far it's not happening yet, but hopefully maybe it will pick up. You know, maybe the first 20 minutes is gonna be like this, but gold is edging lower. I think it wants to take out the 2683.3 on futures. Other than that, I don't see anything special on gold. Let me look at the 1 hour chart. Yeah, nothing there. There's a bullish order block on the 15 minutes, so yeah. Gold should be taking out that level. Yeah, 2683.3. That sell side liquidity should be taken out. Crude moving up. That gas moving down. 5 minute fair gap on gold after 5 minute uptrend, broke support, then gold went sideways for 90 for 90 minutes. Yeah. Yeah, so yeah, so Alpaca Bull, I would say that if you have a trade plan, you know, just hold on to it. If you predetermined your stop loss and your take profit, you know, the worst thing in trading, I think, is FOMO. And I told this many times before. I would trade in the feeling of FOMO anytime for 2 stop losses, for 2 full stops, because in my opinion, it feels much worse, you know, than taking a stop. So, yeah. Gotta hold on to the trade. Homo. Look at this guy. Celebrity in the house. Methodical man. Let me give you an applause. Finally, a real celebrity. What up? The thing I learned from comparing options to futures is set the stop loss. Yeah, exactly. What's going on, methodical man? Why are you not sleeping? You should be sleeping. Why are you not sleeping? Yes, exactly. If you're confident, just let it ride. MB Trader, good morning. Russell is going as well. What's happening on Russell? Oh, Russell is dropping a little bit. I don't know what that means for us. YM is going down. All right, so hopefully my NQ trade is gonna go down. But NQ is dirty nowadays. I don't know what's it doing. I'm at square one right now. Square one. All right, gold is interesting. Gold has completely rebalanced this this gap here, and now it's created sort of like a bullish engulfing candle formation ish thingy, which I don't know. Interesting. What if this is a sign to go higher? The only problem is that I think we still have bullish order blocks below. Not that significant, to be honest, but this one is still a bullish order block. Actually, if the order flow is bullish, it should be respected and should be pushing price higher, but there's no entry on my end to go with. If I would be super aggressive here on gold, I would take a long after this 5-minute candle closing right now. But I'm just not trusting this. Seeing this sell side at 2683.4. I don't think I'm trusting any kind of long position here, but it looks good for a long. especially because we have the 2700 up there. Look at that. Anyway, going back to NQ. Small short on DAX. Let's go. And I'm still just waiting here. Waiting for the miracle to happen. A miracle. That's not happening. Not yet. Maybe on Christmas Eve. Well, what can we do? Let's go! Come on! Come on, take that candle out. I know you want it. The only thing I might do, if it would take that low, is that I would lower my risk a little bit. But first, I need to see it break the 51.75. If DAX falls, NQ should follow. Let's hope. No guarantee there. No way, methodical man, no. But I do like the 438. I do like that level. The final TP would be the 424.75, but I like to see this take out previous day low and obviously then go lower, but you know, London sessions are tricky nowadays. Very tricky. It's like it's gonna spike this low, boom, and then reverse up there. It can absolutely happen. It happened many times before. So no guarantee on this one. No guarantees in London. That should be my other motto, you know. No guarantees in London. Reversed. DAX reversed? Don't tell me that. I wanted to see this drop. No. Yeah, it was too good to be true that it's just gonna waterfall down. It was too good to be true. Gold is dropping. Drop back down. Should be taking out that sell side at 2683.3. And might go down to 2680.8. Bearish engulfing candle on gold now. Oh man, I don't know what's happening. I'm also watching gold, but you know what? Maybe I shouldn't do it. Maybe I shouldn't do it. But the gambler is talking to me right now. That I should enter a short. No, the range is not good. I'm not entering a short on gold. The range is not good, so I'm leaving gold. I'm not gonna take a trade on gold. But it looks tempting that it should go lower, but Dario, what's up? Clean price action. Well, if this is clean, No full porting, methodical. No way. No way. No way full porting. I can't do it. But you know, everything tells me that gold is gonna drop to 2680.7. Everything tells me that it's gonna just boom waterfall down there, but I'm not gonna go. I'm not gonna go with it. No, thank you. Too much stress. Oh, maybe I should. Maybe I should go. Maybe I should go for it. I'm gonna 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 go. Okay, I went for it. The risk to reward is not good. That's the problem. It's only 1-to-1, but I entered the short on gold, targeting 2680.8. Where is it? Not this one. I have to put on a chart here. It's on a Bulenox account. Bulenox. Yeah. So here's my gold trade on micro. And I just want to see this taking out that low down there. That's all. Nothing special. Okay, nothing to see here. All good. All right. Let's just keep our eye on NQ for now. But I have a short on gold too. Yeah, this was the gambler. This was the gambler. Come on, gold. Don't do this with me. This is not what we agreed upon. Gold. Gold. This is not what we talked about. I thought that you want to take out that swing low on the 15-minute chart. Come on, gold. Bearish engulfing candle. You clearly showed that you want to go lower, and there's a swing low here. You definitely have to go below that. And then, you know, gold. Come on, gold. Oh, and this one broke this low. Yeah, so I think I should lower my risk on the NQ trade. I'm moving my stop a little bit closer here because obviously if it trades above that swing, I don't think I'll be interested in holding that trade. So I'm just lowering my risk a little bit. I don't think I'm ready to put it to break even. As soon as I put it to break even, it's gonna go up for my stop. Oh man. I don't know what's up with gold. What is happening here? Ah, Gold is just, that's gonna be my downfall right there, that I took that gold trade. Come on, just go down. There. Just go. Go. Take out that low. I know you want it. I don't know what gold wants, but could be high resistance down there, to be honest. Could be high resistance. Still not going for it. Oh man, look at this. So far, the gold trade is looking okay-ish. I'm looking, just as I said it, it's pulling back up there. But I would like to see that breaking that swing low. So anyway. Yeah, I'm in a gold short. So just small trade, but oh well. So I don't know what gold is doing. I thought that it's just gonna, finally take that swing. Obviously, my entry is a lower probability entry here. But if you look at the 15-minute chart on gold, I thought that because of this bullish order block thingy here, it could go down, take out that 80 level. That would have been a nice move. But obviously, it's a lower probability setup, so anyway, it is what it is. I'm just gonna sit through this, and that's it. 4:80 p.m. candle on the 5-minute. Okay, let me look at that. 840. Sorry. Yesterday 840, or oh, you meant gold. I mean 8 p.m. or 8 in the morning yesterday. I mean there is 8 p.m. Okay. 8:40. Yeah. 8:40. Kind of interesting. Hello, Pablo. I have a short from 462, first target 442, second target 430, stop at break even. Yeah, let's hope. This is just tonight, 8:40 p.m. Look at the low of that candle. Yeah. That's. I'm also watching this, and created these relative equal lows. I really wanted to see this drop, but for now, it's just not happening. Unfortunately, gold is settling in for now for an equal low. Yeah, maybe. We'll see. And I was really hoping that NQ can break previous day low. For now, it's a bit of a slow grind. We have the new 30-minute candle coming up right now. New 15, new 30, new 5-minute. Macro kicking in 20 minutes. So we'll see. We'll see. For sure. But for now, it's a little bit slow. I don't like this gold trade. It was not a good choice on my end. Greed. Greed always messes up everything. Yeah, unfortunately this gold trade is not moving the way it should. But as best DJ in town said, if it would break this low at 83.2, then it would be a high probability that it would break down the 2680.8. For now it's not happening, unfortunately. So, well, it is what it is. What can we do, right? It's a typical slow London session for now. Dilzik, good morning. Well, what can we do? We're just holding it in the hope that it will break lower. And that's it. Not much to do with this. Actually, it looks awful by the minute. It doesn't look good. Yeah. It doesn't look good. Well, what can we do? Seems like might want to sweep some levels higher. What can I do? Nothing. I cannot do anything with this right here. Yeah, bouncing up there. Yeah, I'm watching the 15-minute chart too, and it might want to sweep some levels. We have equal highs at 77. Yeah, so might want to take those. Not good. Not good. Obviously, the conditions are not good as well. But I was really hoping for a drop to take out the lows. It's not happening. Not now, at least. So gold is going back. The gold trade, I understand, because that's an absolute low probability entry, but NQ, I was really hoping that NQ will take those lows. There's still less than 14 minutes until the macro. Dave, Trade FX, welcome. Yeah, no volume. Well, I also trade the New York session, but you know, these are small positions anyways, and I'm not really forcing anything. I switched to the 5-minute chart, and that's it. So nothing special. Just taking slowly. What's the macro you have been? The macro is hey there, Paul. Welcome, Paul. Good morning. The macro is a series of small algorithms, which are usually sweeping liquidity or injecting liquidity into the market, most likely from banks and hedge funds or big institutional players. Or actually, there are like a dozen of explanation of what the macro is, but a series of small algorithms which are actually sweeping liquidity. Usually comes in 10 minutes before the new hourly candle, especially in the kill zone. So usually at now at 350, and the next hour is going to be 450. What we can see is a little bit of an extra movement in price, but not necessarily happening all the time. But that's when it used to happen. We have SMTBDS. All right. Yeah, it's also sort of like an ICT concept, but not really. I mean, let's just go with that. It's like an ICT concept, known concept as well, the macros. So basically just a series of algorithms that are activating 10 minutes before the new hour to move the market a little bit. That's it. 10 to 15, yeah, exactly. I heard many explanations, like dozens of explanations, different explanations, like 10 minutes before, 15 minutes before, and not just before, but 10 minutes after as well, 15 minutes after, and like there are like 10 different kinds of explanations for it. What I managed to see by experience is that we do have some, well, elevated liquidity around those minutes, but depends. Yeah, for example here, so my charts are based on Eastern Standard Time. So in this case, it's 3:50 a.m. New York time, Eastern Standard Time, 3:50 to 4 a.m. So that 10-minute window. The next macro is coming in at 4:50 to 5 a.m. We should be moving the market. Uh-oh, this trade is going to go to the dumpster. And the same can be seen in New York AM session as well. So for example here, 8:50 to 9 or 9:50 to 10. But there's a lot of videos online on YouTube, by the way, which are, if you type in YouTube like ICT macro, then you're going to find hundreds of videos explaining how the macros are working. I'm not trading specifically by the macros, but it's just good to know if there's no movement in the market that there could be maybe a little bit of liquidity coming in. My gold trade is going to be off in a second with the stop loss being hit, unfortunately. And seems like my NQ trade is going off as well. What can I do? Yeah. So unfortunately, It is what it is. It was looking good. I thought we're gonna see a continuation lower, but it's just not happening. It's not happening. I should be taking the stop now. Almost out on gold, and stop has been taken on gold, unfortunately. NQ is back to break even. Somewhat a good news. We'll see. What's happening on gold? Yeah, gold is back to this gap. Actually poked into this 15-minute gap. Right there. Quite interesting. Because this 5-minute gap is acting as possible resistance now. But anyway, it doesn't look good. I mean, it's already over for me on this one, but NQ trade is still on. But I'm looking at gold too. Yeah, I don't know. I was hoping that it will break these lows sooner, but it didn't. It just didn't. Oh no. Oh, it was such a nice move down there. I thought that it's gonna go. Being pushed back up there. No entry on gold. I can't re-enter on this one. It spiked into that 15-minute gap, which is great. But nothing else. All right. Well, it is what it is. Can't win them all. And now it's gonna break that 83.2, I think so. What a shame. What a shame. Yeah, I think so too. Gold will drop before flying through them. Yeah, I think so too. It has some levels to be taken out, and feels bad that it just, you know, spiked out my stop and now going back down there. Feels bad, to be honest. I have a feeling that it just wants to go back down. You know, I don't know. Take out those relative equal lows, maybe. Not really sure. But I'll be watching. I'll be watching and we'll see what we can do here. I'm also watching NQ. I don't know. Let's Suggle once again. Yeah. If it would give a good entry, but so far, I don't know. Maybe it just picked up liquidity down here on this 5-minute gap and wants to go higher, but it didn't really take out the lows there. That's why I was curious if it wants to go down again. Good question, I guess, of what to do. But I'm gonna be keeping an eye on NQ for now, and also on gold. Maybe it will pop lower. We don't know. Break lower, actually, not pop lower, but break lower. Hey, Smiley. Sure. Few questions, absolutely. Ask away. Ask away. So far today, I had a loss. I was only trading one account. I had a loss of 80 bucks, I think. Yeah, and that's it. So taking it slowly, and oh yeah, sorry, not just 80. And with the gold, it's 180 overall. So today I'm down so far. So far I'm down. It's in the cards. What can we do, right? Famous food, like everybody's going with the goulash, right? Everybody's saying, oh, goulash, oh, it's so good, and it's absolutely great. I love it. But some famous food, I would say, Raphael, I would say that you should try. It's called potsal, but I don't know how to say it. It's basically the stomach of the sheep, you know. Obviously, you have to cook it for 4 or 5 hours. But it's a very delicious and traditional Hungarian food. And there are some sausages as well. It has a special name, made out of pork. So that's also very famous. It's called hurka kolbász. I know you don't understand it, but it's a traditional food. And obviously the goulash soup is very popular, but many people don't know how many other good stuff is there or are there. Actually, I'm getting hungry. I'm getting hungry by all this food. So I don't know what's happening with gold here, but I'll be watching carefully. Do you eat like hamburger? Yeah, sure, sure, absolutely. Hamburgers, pizza, we all love that. Absolutely. Pizza, hamburgers, fried chicken. Yeah, yeah, like everywhere. Of course, I love pizza. I like hamburgers. Of course, of course, those are good. I like. By the way, I also like the street food and junk foods. Fortunately, I love junk food. And anyway, there are some good street food restaurants as well. All right. What's it gonna be? I don't know what to do with this NQ trade. Still have a few minutes until equities opening. Street meat. Yeah. What kind of pizza? Well, I like pepperoni. Yeah. Yeah. Hard to say. Italian or American style. I think both. Yeah. Hey, Fendi, buy? Yeah, unfortunately, I think so. That's going to be a buy position there. So I like both, I think. Oh, yeah, gyros. Is there really a thing shawarma? Or is just in the Avengers? I don't know. But I like gyros. Gyros is absolutely awesome. I love it. I love it. And kebab, I don't know how to pronounce it. Kebab. Kebab. We say kebab. So I love it too. Those are good. I'm getting more and more hungry here. You had them in Saudi. Oh, nice. Well, NQ is just not moving the way I would like it to be. I'm gonna sit this through for now and see what's going on. Less than 5 minutes until macro is kicking in. Not macro, come on. Equities, a new hour. Man, what's up with me today? Am I tired or what? I think I am. I had my coffee, but Barcoding. Yeah, everything is barcoding this morning. Seems like the London session might gonna be doing the same thing until Christmas holidays or until the new year. Obviously, previous day low is just not in the cards yet. Whew. It's gonna take me out. Feels bad, man. Feels bad. I was last chance. I was hoping that after the gold trade, NQ is gonna drop. You missed your long entry at 450. Oh yeah, it was down to 48. That was a nice little dip there. Could have expected a bounce myself as well. You know, from these levels, it's high resistance there, obviously. So, what can we do, right? Part of the game. 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Yeah, I should do that maybe. You know, just come back for the New York session. It's just slow. Yeah. In longs from 52. Yeah, I think you're doing it right. You are doing it right. I'm just curious if my previous analysis on gold will turn out or not. Is it gonna take out those lows, or I don't know what's it gonna do. Obviously we have macro kicking in soon. Macro. I always say macro, new hour and equities. I just don't know if it wants to sweep that or not. NQ so far is sideways. Rocknight was down 400 back to break even. Hey, listen, Malo Legacy, welcome first of all. And break even is actually a winning session, so don't worry about it. That's actually winning. Break even is winning because you went into the market, you exited without losing. You actually beat the market with break even. Anyway, let's see what it's gonna do. Uh, 20 seconds. I don't think anything special is gonna happen, but whatever. 10 seconds. We're in gold sell. All right, let's see. Here it comes. NQ trying to push it down again. Not sure about the rest. So far, nothing special in the first minute here. Curious what's it gonna do, but well, we'll see. Gamecraft, what up? Sorry, I didn't see you there. What up, Gamecraft? How you doing? Break even. All right. Win is a win as long as you don't take. Yeah, exactly. Scalp gold 10 points down. Let's go. Nice one. $100 is $100. How you doing, Gamecraft? All right. What's it doing? Gold is still not breaking that low, by the way, at 83. I think it's just, you know, might want to push it again higher. I don't have an entry there, but I was really hoping that NQ will drop. So, yeah. Yesterday was your 25th birthday. Dude, I wish you a happy birthday. Congratulations. Happy birthday. If it break, it's gonna waterfall and move back. Yeah, could be. Could be. Feels like high resistance. Absolutely, Gamecraft. Oh man, I wish I would be 25 years old. Oh, dude. Dude. The things that I would do differently. Oh my god. Oh man. All the things that I would do differently. That would be wow. Man. If I could go back to being 25, oh man. Especially with the knowledge I have now. I mean, not that I know too much now, but with the life experience I know now, I go back to 25 years old. Jesus, I would conquer everything. That's for sure. 25 is an awesome year to be in. $21 last month? Aryan, come on. Shut the front door. Oh man. When I was 21, let me see where I was. Where I was when I was 21. When I was 21, what was I doing? I was 20. I was in the military. I was in the army. Or military. Is that the same? I was in the army or military when I was 21. For 3 years. That's why. That's what I say. I see 19 years old trader. Well, Jesus, when I think about it, lots of time has passed. Don't worry, guys. You will all be 40 years old, and then you will know what I'm talking about. 35 years old is a peak poll. Don't worry, I'm 40. So I was also in the army at this age before watching playing video games. Oh, really? Fendi. Nice. The good news. I wasn't reading. What kind of good news? U.S. Air Force, dude. Fendi, are you serious? Come on, man. That's awesome. I would really, I would love to hear some stories from people from the U.S. Air Force. I bet you guys have a lot of stories. I believe you. Absolutely, of course. I would love to hear stories from you guys. I mean, moving to Top Step Live. Jeez, Gamecraft. That is awesome. Oh, I wasn't watching your Twitter. Maybe am I following you? I think I do. I follow you on Twitter. I have to check it. I think I follow you. Let me check. I think I follow you. I follow you. Oh yeah, I'm seeing your tweet there on the 1st of November. Nice. Okay, why did I miss that? But anyway, awesome. Hey Subham, what's going on? By the way, what's going on with gold? Look at that, gold is not willing to break that low. It's playing dirty. Actually, I'm kind of glad that I got out from gold. But this trade here, I don't know what's going on. Look at this. I still don't know what the heck is going on with NQ here. Is it gonna finally take out that low, or what's up with this? As for gold, it seems like it has created like a trap or something, and now it might want to continue higher. Let's see if this one's gonna do a structure shift and push it up again. This 5-minute gap seems like acting as possible resistance still. So I'm just going to be curious what it's going to do here. Perfect W on 1 minute. Gold. Yeah. Nicely done if you entered here. And as you can see, this 5-minute gap, how perfectly it rejecting price. So that's why before taking a long here, which I might do, I'd like to see a clean shift to the upside. But on the 15-minute, there is still like kind of like a bullish order block here and here. So 2 order blocks that has not been broken. So I'm not sold on the idea completely to go long. Maybe before the CPI day, it will go down, sweep some levels, and then go up. I'm not sure. Let's go back to our previous television programming on NQ and see what's going on. Still going for previous day low. I short again from 460. Nice. Stops break even. Now as it wants to go now, first target 442. That's actually a good plan. That's actually a good plan. It seems like that gold tried to push it through the mid-level here of this gap, and so far is getting rejected. Quantaro mobile app, I'm not sure. Um, um, I'm not sure. I don't think it does. No. Yeah, I don't think it has. Sorry. Unfortunately. I just checked it and it doesn't seem like that they do. I think Ninja Trader has a mobile app, right? I think they have a mobile application. All right. Let's see what's gonna happen here. NQ is definitely having trouble taking out those lows. I entered another short on gold. Small position based on the 3-minute, by the way. Picked up liquidity, got rejected. I still hope that it can break the relative equal lows down there. If it's not gonna do that, it's fine, no problem. So far that's it. You're in longs. Let's go. Yeah, the thing is that it's definitely slow right now. Oh well, this morning gold is just not acting the way I want it to, or I wanted it to. So yeah, best not to force it more than this. Actually, it's a small position, like $70, but it's just not gonna break those lows. I feel like it's just not it right now. I mean gold, but NQ as well. I don't know what's going on. Yeah, exactly, Naomi. What a chop. So I re-entered gold. As you can see, it's not looking good. Entry was based on the 3-minute chart. Let me show you. So my entry was based on this bearish reversal that we poked into liquidity on that 5-minute gap, got rejected, bearish reversal candles here, and relative equal lows down there. That's what I was aiming for. Unfortunately, so far it's not gonna do it. So well, what can I do? It's part of the game. I was really eyeballing at the with those levels of 26.83 on gold, but it's just not gonna do it. Look at that. Which is not a problem, but that's it. A little bit frustrating, to say the least. Back to square one. Choppy morning. What? You lost your XFA? Farhad. Oh, man. I'm sorry to hear that, Farhad. Hey, listen. I know it's frustrating, but you know, maybe you should take the rest of the day off, maybe even New York session, you know. Not many news today anyway. Tomorrow and Thursday is a better day in terms of volatility, I think. It happens. But you know what, Farhad? You know, look at it as an opportunity to look back to learn something. And I'm sure you were just over trading, as most of us. So don't worry about it, Farhad. It happens. And I'm sure in the future you will do much better. How many futures platform have you? Mobile apps, yeah. Yeah, Farhad, absolutely. And listen, you don't necessarily have to go back to a combine account again or whatever. Now you can actually sit back, relax a little bit, just breathe, relax, eat something good that you like, or something, and just look back. What was the problem? And trust me, it's gonna be okay. It's fine. Fine. Your beta testing for Impact looks cool. Awesome. Yeah, rough. I heard. I mean, obviously everybody received those emails that you can apply, but I haven't applied. But yeah. Tom, if you short and no good, go long. Take money. Repeat until you easy. Yeah, it's super easy, Tron. Now that you're saying it, it's really super easy. If I'm short and it's not going in my way, just close it and go long. That always works. Chop fest. Chop fest at its best. That small gold trade is now looking a little bit better. I'm not saying it will go down, but it's looking a little bit better. Actually, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna modify my TP just one tick higher just to make sure, if it really goes down. And as for NQ, I'm losing hope. I'm just losing my hope for NQ right now. Come on, NQ. Yeah. I mean, trading should be like this, right? Boring and everything. I'm holding a trade since Asia Open. Oh, yeah. Feels longer than my ex. Look at the 15-minute. Why trade that? Yeah, let me look at. Oh my God! Look at this. Especially all this here. This is very, very, very bad. Very bad. You know what I think? I think that as soon as the London kill zone ends up, maybe in the New York kill zone, volume might start to pick up a little bit. So I don't know, but it's weird. Maybe. Are they good in the London session? So look at. Yeah, for now it looks good. Maybe on the 5-minute, yeah. The 1-minute pretty much gapped out, but yeah. Oh man, this is gonna take forever. This is gonna take forever. The gold trade so far looks okay. Let's hope it stays that way. That could bring me back from oblivion. Oh no. Oh no. Just I had to say that. I just had to say it out loud. Jesus. Anyway, I'm gonna drink something. Use the bathroom. I'll be right back. All right, Jack Daniels. I love that. No, not Jack Daniels. I'm actually eating a mandarin. Delicious mandarin. All right, this trade is gonna go to the dumpster again. All right. Man, this session is terrible. Absolutely terrible. I don't know what's it gonna be, but it's really bad. You know, I thought that the 1 minute is terrible, but now the 5 minute is actually terrible. How does it look like on the 1 minute? Well, 10 points range. Not good. All right, so what's it gonna be? Gold trade looking good. All right. Maybe gold will take that level out, I hope. I don't know. Still just hoping for it. As for NQ, I don't know. I don't know what the heck is gonna happen. But so far so good. It just doesn't want to go. It's just not doing its thing. Anyway, it's pure suffering here, so I don't even want this to happen with, I mean, anyone in trading. It's just, it's pure suffering seeing this price action. Currently, at this second, both the gold and the NQ trades are looking okay. So whatever that means, but at this moment, at this second, it looks good. Took 10 points, 50 to 60. That's, you know, I take 10 points anytime. So that's a good job there. Yeah, not even 20 points range. Yeah, that's a little bit frustrating in the whole situation, but anyway. It is what it is. All right, you know what? I think I'm going to call it here. I'm going to call it here, everyone, because it's just, I have these two trades. I'm going to leave them on. Short on gold and NQ. I'm going to leave these trades on, and that's it. I'm just tired watching this, you know. Yeah, me too, Michael. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, everybody, and being here on the stream. Thank you for the new subscribers, and I'll be back in the New York session. And what can I say? It was interesting but slow. And as always, if you would like to support the stream, please use my codes and links, except at Tradeify. I still don't have my custom code, but if you click on the link and type in SNOW, that will give you the best discount currently. Thank you again. Trade safe, be safe, and God bless you all. Cheers, everybody. I'll be back in New York. All right. Cheers.